I remember doing these forks, the R&S things.
Yeah.
Were they R&S or?
Yeah. Yeah, it was 8 months ago.
Yeah, I'm the one who did them.
Yeah.
Glad there's nothing wrong with them.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with them. I mailed them to you.
You'd be yelling at me. Hey, did anybody ride my shit yet?
George is out there now.
Oh, nice. Did anybody else ride it yet?
No.
I can't wait till he gets
George
back.
likes it so much he hasn't came back yet.
Yeah, right. He's probably pulled over by the coppers. I gotta see what this guy says. We gotta see what this guy says about his soft tail shop.
Wow.
Is that fucking amazing?
You know, I just rode a road glide with some TTX cartridges about 3 days ago, and this thing rides on rails like it's a heavy bagger. I can't believe the difference from that stock Olin shock to this. Wow.
Smokes it, doesn't it?
Holy, and the adjustment on the front, thank you. A lot better
More
than
better?
the stiffness I had.
Yeah.
You know, I don't mind,
Did you take it up to speed?
oh yeah, about 115 and fucking on rails. And the bumps, man, I don't even know what to say. It's amazing.
It just soaks it up.
It soaks it up.
Like it's nothing.
Flush. It feels like a bagger on a hot rod engine.
Yeah. What bagger did you ride with TTX?
It was my buddy's 23 road glide, and it had your rear,
TTX shocks?
just in the rear.
Yeah. What do you have in the front?
I'd like to say you just had 2-inch over some cheap cartridges, but he had your rear,
Oh,
and this felt very similar. Wow.
it's amazing, isn't it?
I need this. It's double what that Olin shock was.
Oh yeah, easy, yeah.
And it feels like it on rails, and I took it around that corner going 90, just locked in.
That's how a bike's supposed to feel.
I need this shock.
You gotta talk to the warden.
Thank you, Kevin at Big Bear, for dialing up the best suspension in the game. Period.
Yeah, that's nice, huh?
Hell yeah, man. And you know that it doesn't look bad here either.
It doesn't.
Just a little bit of, you know, trimming up and stuff. This is gonna be one hell of a package.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you should get a pre-order going. I think these things are gonna sell out quick.
Yeah. For real.
Wow.
That's amazing, isn't it?
And before, with that Olin's in that stock position, you know, I had no plush up on top. I couldn't do this. It was just,
You see how everything's moving just nicely, like the front end, like the whole bike's moving at the same time. See that when you bounce on the bike, front and rear is moving up and down like this.
before I had my front
It
so
was just
tight
like
that
this.
the front wasn't moving as much,
Yeah.
and the back was also hard. This feels similar to, oh, there's nothing comparable.
That rides like a sport bike,
Hell yeah.
like a good sport bike.
Yes. Right on. I love it, Kev.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
Can I let my tech ride it, Rob?
Absolutely.
He's a real experienced rider.
Test this thing out, man.